Hey everybody, Mungo Dark Matter here. Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite little tools, and it's used to take knobs off of an electric guitar. You can get these from All Parts, and I'll put a link in the description below in this video. But basically what it has is like these two little things that fit underneath where the knob is. Now a lot of people will take a cloth and slide it under the knob and pull it off, but this pulls it off very evenly. Now the next thing is this like retaining ring. You just push it down here like this, so it kind of keeps these little flanges from pushing out and slipping away. And then so you end up with a little handle here, and you just pull it off and it comes right off. Really cool, really easy to use, and it doesn't do any damage to the pick guard, and it's the simplest tool to pop off knobs that I have seen. At any rate, I highly recommend it, and I will put a link in the description to the video below where you can get one of these. I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters. Be seeing you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.